Man, thought I'd bring y'all a little update. I was having trouble with my gas pedal. I couldn't figure out why my gas pedal wasn't working. So I went and bought another computer, another tack module, another pedal, all that. It still wasn't working. So I went and bought me a brand new wiring harness. Fuse box. Here go the fuse box right here, as y'all can see. I went and got fuse box and all. You know. And hooked it up and it started working. So since it started working, I went on ahead and started taking it apart. I'm about done. I'm about to finish taking it apart. Look like a spider's nest right now, but I'm about to finish taking it apart. Tape it up. And hook it back up. Yeah. It was in my wiring harness, my old wiring harness. Something I didn't do right. Well, I took the old one all the way apart. That's probably why. I took it all the way apart. I didn't take this one all the way apart. I'm going to leave it just like it is. Hooked everything up. Got all my pink wires and all that stuff. So I'm about to go ahead and finish this on up. And get it back together. Shit, and slap it on there. What up? Update on my wiring harness. I got all the mission stuff out of it. Now I'm just running it, taping it up. You know, I'm gonna run it right through there. You know, so, you know, shout out to the driveway engineer for the little bracket mount idea. Mount it right there. That was a nice little setup, because I sure was trying to figure out how I was going to mount it, get a bracket. But yeah, like I say, I got everything out. Now I'm just running everything. But one thing I am going to do, I'm going to switch my, my mass FO sensor plug from that side to over here. To the driver's side over here. I'm gonna run it on that side, on the driver's side. But yeah, that's my wiring harness update. But yeah. Get the gas pedal right there. But yeah. Alright. I'll bring y'all back in a minute.